what I've done is I've raised it up and then I put the tires there. So I raised it on something that would be about the same height as the tires. And I think that my front needs to be a little, the hood needs to be a little longer. So I'm going to cut this down a bit. And then I can go ahead now and ice it and chill it. And while it's chilling, that is when I'll show you how to do the tires. So right now, I just need to ice this with just regular old buttercream. Let me look at it there. Actually, it looks like it goes in more here, less on this side. So just trim that up. Move my tires out of the way and buttercream. Here we go. So I like it good and chilled before I cover it with the fondant so that when I'm messing with it, it's nice and firm. Now this is a cake, you could actually do this in buttercream. It doesn't have to be fondant. So you could certainly do a buttercream truck. I figure, you know, the cake is buttercream, what we're going to do on the cake, and the truck will actually be easier if you cover it in fondant and look a little nicer. So why not just do the cake in the buttercream and leave the truck fondant? We can have both, can't we? Sometimes it's easier to ice this on a larger board, and then you can move it around when you go to put it in the refrigerator. Then you won't get the icing all over your refrigerator. But you know, this isn't my refrigerator. He goes, "You're so mean. You're so mean." Just kidding. And then the back, make sure you get some inside here. On top. And that's why this needs to be good and cold when you do this, when you carve it and everything, so that this part, this is the most fragile part on both sides here. So I can even hold this so I don't fling it off the cake. You can have your cake frozen too if you want when you cut it. And then you don't have to worry about it. All right, I'm going to find a board to put this on and chill it. But what I can do first is actually, I didn't bring my little side scraper. I usually have a side scraper. So I guess I'll have to just take the spatula and just smooth over it. Like here, just one swoop, swoop, swoop. Down the sides, the back. The back reminds me of a fire engine for some reason. Okay, and I'm going to put this in the freezer. I'm going to build this up right here because that cake is kind of missing. So instead of refrigerator, I'm going to pop it in the freezer so that this part and this part stay really firm when I cover it, because I don't want to lose that part. Okay, into the freezer we go.